In this quick video, we are going to have a closer look of the Calculator admin dashboard. First, you need to log in to your dashboard. For this, go to gsheetpress.com, click Login and use your credentials to log in to dashboard. Now, click on the Calculator tab. In this section, you will see three different options. 1. Calculator list, settings and reports menu. All published calculators will be listed under the Calculator list menu. What can you change from dashboard? Right now, you can change 5 types of things. Theme of your calculator. Number of input fields you want in one row. Set if you want lead generation. Type of graph you want to draw. For applying a setting, you need to first select the calculator which you want to modify. As far as themes are concerned, you can apply any of the 6 types of theme available for your calculator. Similarly, you can set the number of input fields in a row. This is especially good when you are developing a calculator for desktop. So, if you fill 3 here, your calculator will have 3 columns in the single row. If you want to set lead generation for your calculator to collect users' email ID, then enable this toggle button. You can also set different styles of graphs, like bar chart, line chart, pie chart, donut, radar chart, polar area and bubble. You can also enable Auto Calculate toggle to calculate automatically after the user fills the input fields. You can set vertical or horizontal radio buttons for your calculator to beautify the front end. The default is vertical settings. Finally, if you enable the Show PDF button, a small print button will appear on top of your calculator. Please note that you can brand the resulting PDF page with a title and an brand image URL. This will generate nice PDF for your user. They can print this PDF anytime. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.